Hello, Spanish 2. This is Mrs. Klamasrud, and I am going to be pronouncing your structures for you. So please add these to your structures notebook. The first one is right here. Se tropieza. And se tropieza means he or she trips. Next, se tropezó. Se tropezó means he or she tripped, and that is completed action. Okay, so remember that completed action, it happened at one time. You're remembering that accent on the O, okay? And you're also noticing here that we have a little bit of a spelling change, and that is correct, okay? Okay, the next three, I've got the present tense, the past tense completed action, which we also call the preterite tense, and then the past tense imperfect tense, which we call the ongoing past. Okay, so the first one sounds like this: se pone triste. Okay, se pone triste means he or she becomes sad. Se puso triste is she or he became sad. Okay, and that would be a one moment in time, completed action. And the last one is se ponía triste. She or he became sad, ongoing past. Finally, we have two verbs. Present tense, se cae. Okay, that can be a little bit of a tricky word because we've got two vowels together, so I'll say that one again. Se cae. Se cae means he or she falls. And then the past tense completed action is se cayó. Se cayó means he or she fell. Okay, so those are your structures that you need to get into your structures notebook so that you can complete the first part of Thursday's assignment. Take care. Adios.